The question is obvious, and it's been asked before, but me are going to ask it again. Why is it that in recent times, almost every time a Jamaican national football team travels to play abroad, some arms are squandered with the travel arrangements that invariably lead to players getting stranded in foreign countries? Why has this become so commonplace with recent national teams? This time we understand half of the Jamaican squad returning from the tournament in Austria was stranded in Germany for 2 days without return tickets to Jamaica. After some wheeling and dealing, the players are now back home, but obviously with a bitter taste in their mouth. And you know, these are the questions when we ask them. People say, me don't like the JFF, and we are fight against Mike Ricketts, and we bias and blah, blah, blah. Guess what? Yes, the Maverick bias. Me biased towards competence, because competence means better governance, which would be much better for Jamaica's football. Yes, yes, yes. So yes, the Maverick can declare himself, I am biased. But as me say, I'm biased with proper explanation.